So it finally came. I was told I was going to be able to order by September. I didn't expect mid-July to be able to complete my order. And many of you know I've already got the original controller. And I've really enjoyed it. You can see the love of the wear and tear on the joystick here. It's basically got none of the texture. The pads are pretty... This pad over here is pretty smooth, at least. This one has been less used, but still been used somewhat. I've used it in various different situations and things like that. But now I've got this one, and basically transitions over all of the same functions of the Steam Deck, which you all know I have that as well, into the controller format so I can use it with whatever thing I want. Now, again, everybody probably already knows this. Oh, fine, be that way. Stick that over there. This one has a separate dongle that is just the dongle. You could, like, print off a back plate, have a dongle holder, and things like that. But yeah, but this one uses the puck as the dongle. And I've seen various projects that are really cool for the puck that, there's even the Open Puck project now that uses an ESP chip, ESP32, I think, yeah, and then lets you connect that to a Switch or Xbox or whatever, so you can use a Steam controller on your other devices as well. So I'm going to dig into the top here, because that feels like it has, yep, right there, USB cable, literature, and you can see right here, they've got like all the directions for hooking it up. I'm gonna end up plugging this into my main desktop, but what makes it easy is I can like unplug the puck, leave the cable behind if I'm traveling, and take the controller and the puck with me elsewhere, because I can just use another USB-C cable in place of it. So there's our manual QR code. Yeah, charging capabilities. There's been all kinds of crazy projects for this thing already, and it is nuts. And dang. So we've got that. We've got the puck. So yeah, USB-C on there, meaning I can take any old cable if it's long enough and just plop it in. And what should be nice about it is that I can just sit here and mess with that. Let's see. Did I have any? No. Nothing else under there. I haven't really looked at too many unboxing videos, so I haven't explored the box properly myself. But you could use this box as a carry container for your controller as well if you wanted to. Let's see. That is not too bad. My pinkies do reach for the bottom button, grip buttons there, but I could like alter it so that it's my ring fingers reaching at the bottom. Yeah, that's not too bad. Okay, triggers aren't bad, bumpers aren't bad. They're not as clicky as the original. And the 2-stage is kind of nice, which this one lacks. And there might still be certain cases where I'm going to prefer like the original over the other. Obviously, you've got the touch sensors on the top there. So all of my control layouts that I've done on the Steam Deck, and I've shown off a couple that I've put together, will show up on there, and I can bring all my Morrowind stuff over as well. Well, you know. And then here's our Steam, and give me a second. So, other end of the cable is plugged in. Plug the puck in. I'm gonna move a couple things around so that I can tell what I'm doing and clear out some space. So when I pop this, well, open up Steam more than likely. Let me see. Yeah, we don't have that there yet. It's going to do something funky. And I'm going to do like low budget like tricks here because I don't feel like messing with it. Now that we've got our low budget angle going on, we've got the controller here, a mini badge design that I'm working on, and then I'll pull up Steam real quick. And then, gosh. So, what it's probably going to complain about is the puck may not have the most up-to-date firmware. So it's going to want to take care of that, more than likely. Okay. Plugged in, updating Steam controller puck. As I mentioned, this makes it easy to carry it around because, as Valve mentioned, the puck is the very thing that you use to connect it up. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Next. Oh, that was a beautiful sound. See, Steam controller connected. Next. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna plug that in there. It's gonna turn red. Look at that. I've got the puck just like hanging out on the bottom there. Kind of like, I might take, there are a couple trips that I have coming up that I kind of want to see how it does. And like the haptics feel really nice on this, I'm not going to lie. I could plug it in directly by USB-C as well. Anyway. Steam controller connected. Let's go into our settings. I want to rename the controller if I can. Okay, so we've got pairing info. Game Rumble, identify controllers, puck is active, unpaired, a blah, blah, blah. Let me unplug my other controller. I've been using the other controller for like ship and whatnot, so can unplug that. It's not going to show up. Steam controller might be my full-time controller, but I've got I can find SC controller for it too as well. I believe they've been working on compatibility for that with the new controller as well. So that'll be fun. Literature's not important. Let us go. Now that we have that, let's go to... I'm not going to get any sound through here, so yeah. We can try Stellaris. Mostly playable with your controller. I love that. Not going to hook it up too hard, but yeah. This does not feel too bad. If I compare it... The old controller is a little bit chunkier on the grip. And then this one just doesn't have the same bit. Xbox controller. It's probably... The grip on this is actually about on par with a normal controller, which isn't too bad, honestly. let's see. And if we do... Do I want to do that one? The Mad Forest, the Village. To the Inlaid Library. Okay, so my boss is right over there. Uh, do, do, do. Yeah, that doesn't feel too bad, but this is just vampire crawlers, so I have to mess around with a few others before I really give my full 2 cents worth. But yeah, Steam controller, it'll be pretty fun to mess with. If you liked the content, if you enjoyed it, if you think I deserve it, like, comment, subscribe, leave any criticisms you have or what have you. I appreciate it. Feed that algorithm, like I said, and I will see you guys in the next one.